Yahoo Finance Gold Membership Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get this wrong, but free stock quotes aren't enough for serious investors. Yahoo Finance Gold aims to upgrade your investing experience in 2025, so let's see what it actually offers. Yahoo Finance Gold is a premium subscription that adds advanced tools to the standard Yahoo Finance platform. Members get deeper analytics, premium charts, analyst ratings, and fewer ads. One major advantage is data access. Gold members can view historical data going back decades, enhance charting and valuation metrics that long-term investors rely on. The surprising truth is that this level of data often costs much more on other platforms. However, you won't believe what happens next if you expect real-time trading tools. Yahoo Finance Gold is for research, not execution. You still need a brokerage account elsewhere. Another downside is pricing. While reasonable, casual investors may not use enough features to justify the cost. In conclusion, Yahoo Finance Gold is best for investors who enjoy research and analysis. If you like making informed, data-driven decisions, it can be a valuable upgrade.